just want to show you the sort of splaying of many things as we are trying to work out what all we're bringing. It gets better, just wait. There's gear explosion all over the house. I just have this cheap poncho and I just sprayed it with weatherproofing. There's just gear everywhere. And we're gonna figure out what we're taking between the three of us. So this is basically all of Lily's gear splayed out in the backyard because we're putting permethrin on it, which is like a spray that's supposed to work if you put it on your gear. You're supposed to keep the insects off. So here's approximately what she's got. She's got her sleep system, which is these are two different kinds of sleeping pads, and we like to carry both just because this one on the right is really easy for like kneeling on in the daytime, and then it protects this one from popping because that's a little mini air bed basically. And then she's got a little blow up pillow, which is that green thing right there, and that's the bag for it. And that's her sleep system. And she's got clothes and a hat. This big blanket underneath the clothes is nothing. That green thing over there, that's or yellow, I guess, I can't tell what color that is a pump bag to pump this up, and it also works as like a dry bag. And then this is a dry cover for the pack itself. And here's her tent, which is a Tiger Wall, Big Agnes, so it's super lightweight, and a brightly colored wind jacket, umbrella. She does have a puffy coat, although I suspect we'll be leaving those in the car for the time being. Sleeping bag, and that over there is a little towel, and she's got a regular pair of shoes and a pair of camp shoes and a headlamp. Bear canister, that's where the food goes to keep all things hopefully away from the critters. And so that's pretty much it. That's what she's going to be carrying. Maybe a pot for some, she's got a cup and stuff inside here. And we're all pretty much in similar things that we'll be carrying. And we'll have a way to cook food as well in between Dan and I. Inspired by Lily's greatness, Scout's greatness, Maven is over here getting his stuff laid out so that he can then spray it. And we'll see if he has enough left for his stuff. I already sprayed mine. I just now need to figure out what I'm going to wear on the trail because I haven't done that yet. If you're going to use the permethrin, don't do it around your cats because it can be pretty dangerous for your cats. Dogs are okay with it, but cats not so much. So it has to be completely dry before you put it around cats. Don't look at my bangs. I got a bad haircut. Cost cutters. Let's see what Maven decided to bring. So far he's got a hammock and a foam pad bag just like the one that Scout's carrying. That's a water filtration system, which we won't be spraying. Some shoes, straps, coat, rain gear, both pants and jacket. Probably won't bring both of those on trail. Some new clothes, sleeping bag. Looks like it. That's all that he's spraying down. Incidentally, this was my last shower before the trip. But I hope I'll have one more shower before the trail. We'll see. So I got my bag packed up for the most part, and I'm around 20 pounds base weight. Like 17, but I've got like a 3-pound fanny pack I'm going to wear, so that's counts as 20. And I still have to put medicine and a couple of first aid things in. So that means after like food and water, I'm going to be at like 35 pounds, I think, depending on what food I put in there. And so we're going to be leaving in a couple of days, and I'm super excited. excited and nervous belly and yeah, we're looking forward to seeing people along the way. I don't know why I say yeah all the time. I'll try to stop him. I know it's gotta be annoying. It annoys me anyway. Anyway, we'll see you soon.